Hello guys, welcome to our another video, no? So we'll be solving case 2 again. This time additional problem to guys, no? So the problem is y double prime minus 6y prime plus 25y is equal to 2 sine 5t. So again guys, hanapin muna natin yung y homogeneous. Y homogeneous is using characteristic equation. So ang characteristic equation natin guys, quadratic is d squared minus 6d plus 25 is equal to 0. So, using calculator guys, hanapin natin yung mga roots. So, ang roots niya guys is equal to 3 plus 4i. So, 3 plus 4i. Okay guys, no? So, that is an equivalent into complex numbers. So, pag meron tayong complex numbers guys, no? Ang gawin natin to find the homogeneous equation is y homogeneous is equal to e raised to 80 times c1 sine or cosine bt plus C2 sine bt. So, and then, substitute natin yung mga values ng A at B. So, A natin is 3, B natin is 4. So, E 3t C1 cosine 4t plus C2 sine 4t. Simple lang guys, no? So, yan ang ating homogeneous equation. So, i-box natin yan guys para medyo highlighted siya guys, no? And then now, we will try to solve yung y particular or yp. So, yp natin guys, in this case, is 2 sine 5t. So, sulat natin solve yp. So, yp natin is equal to 2 sine 5t. Alright. Kaso, ito is in the form of a sine beta t. So, case 2 to guys. Pag meron tayong nakitang sign na ganyan ang form, we can solve it sa ganitong style, no? A is equal to 2, alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 5. So, using the operator method, so, yung formula natin yan guys, no? Review ko lang. That's 1 over fd nito guys, or function of d. Yun yung characteristic equation times alpha. Tapos ang buong equation is evaluated as d is equal to beta I. So, yung function of d natin guys is d squared minus 6d plus 25. Tapos, yung alpha natin is 2, 5i. So, D natin, beta natin is 5, tapos I. So, punta tayo sa complex mode, guys. So, type natin 1 over x squared minus 6d, guys. So, minus 6d, guys, no? So, uh, tapos type natin yung 5i. So, we have a result of 1 over 30i. So, in this form, pwede rin itong matawag na 0 plus 1 over 330. So, yan nating A, guys, no? So, since complex numbers to guys, meron tayong real part at imaginary part. So, ang real part natin is 0, imaginary part natin is 1 over 30i. However, parang hindi natin nalagay natin yung 2 guys, no? So, since voice over to guys, so, isosolve ko muna to. Hindi ko pa alam yan. So, later on, notice ko yan. Ay, parang mali ah. Something is very wrong. No? So, sulat ko muna yan dyan guys. Tapos, since A natin is 0, ang B natin, doon napansin ko na may something is wrong here. So, chinek ko muna yung aking equation, if tama ba. Tapos, hindi ko pala nasulat. Na-realize ko, hindi ko pala nasulat pala yung 2, no? So, times 2 natin yan, guys. Palitan natin yung 2. So, ang sagot is 1 over 15i. So, yan. Papalitan ko yan. 1 over 15i. So, ang ating B ngayon pala guys is 1 over 15. So, yung yp is equal to a sine beta t plus b cosine beta t. Yan yung for the case ng sine. Pero pag cosine naman is yp is equal to a cosine beta x minus b sine beta x. So, i-pause nyo yung video nyo guys kung gusto nyo kopihin yung mga case. Since sine ito guys, so a sine beta t plus b cosine beta t. So, a natin is 0, b natin is 1 over 15, beta natin is 5. So, meron tayong y particular na 1 over 15 cosine 5t. So ngayon guys, since mayroon tayong YH plus YP, combine na natin. So ang ating solution, the general solution to our differential equation is equal to E3t times C1 cosine 4t plus C2 cosine 4t plus 1 over 15 nalito pa ako dyan guys, 1 over 15 cosine 5t. Napaka-simple lang guys, no? Yan ang ating sagot guys. So, medyo handy guys pag medyo alam mo tong technique nito kasi sa ating calculator techniques, isahin natin siya i-derive lahat kasi guys, no? Medyo mahirap, di ba? Ito napaka-simple lang, no? Tandaan mo lang tong mga cases na to guys and then you can solve any differential equation fast. Thank you.